Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to send USDT from Binance to another wallet. So if you want to send USDT from Binance to another exchange, hit assets at the bottom right and click USDT here. Right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just hit send or withdraw. Right, you're going to withdraw the crypto from Binance to other exchanges or wallets. So I'm going to select the second option. Right, I'm going to go ahead to another wallet, right, or to the wallet in question and generate an address. So hit portfolio here on Kraken. I'm using Kraken. Okay, I'm going to go ahead to Tether USD or USDT and hit deposit and make sure the network matches the one in the exchange, right? So I'm going to select TRX or Tron, TRC20, and I'm going to select here Tron2 to generate an address that matches the network. Copy the address, right, and paste it here. Enter the amount, minimum $10, right, and then hit withdraw. They're going to ask you for verification. They're going to send a code via your Gmail, or if you added another layer of protection like two-factor authentication, they're going to send you a code, or they're going to tell you go to the authenticator app and take the code that is generated frequently and paste it here. And basically, you're going to initiate now the withdrawal process. Consider liking this video, subscribing, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Until next time, see you.